Polars for Finance. Episode 3. Compute daily returns. 14 tickers, 6 years, 1 line of code. The window function pattern that replaces every pandas group, by plus pct change. Returns are the language of finance. Every backtest, every risk metric opens with the same operation. Today and yesterday, divide, subtract 1. Trivial on a single ticker. The interesting question is, what happens when 14 tickers stack in the same frame? The answer in Polars is the dot over clause. Append it to any expression and the engine runs per group, keeps the result aligned to the original rows. We're going to compute daily returns. 14 tickers, 6 years, 1 line. Open nvim. Save it as returns.py. Load the prices. Sort by ticker and date. The window assumes chronological order. Polars trusts your input. It does not auto-sort. Now the returns, with columns. pl.col close.pct change.overticker, that's the window. Polars partitions by ticker, runs pct change on each block, and stitches the result back into the frame. Log returns are the variant for cumulative math. Same shape, log of close minus shifted log of close, also dot over ticker. Print the first 8 rows. Then count nulls and daily ret. 14 nulls is the proof that the window ran per group. Save and run with Python. First row of apple is null. Returns start on day 2, and the null count is 14, 1 for each ticker. The window worked. Three things from this episode. First, dot over ticker is the window function clause. Append it to any expression, and Polars runs the operation per group, keeping the output aligned to the original frame. Second, always sort by ticker and date first. PCT change assumes chronological order. Polars trusts your input. The sort is a one-time 20,000 row operation that takes milliseconds. Third, the null count is your proof the window ran. 14 tickers means 14 first-day nulls. 1 null means you forgot the dot over clause. And the returns are silently garbage at every ticker boundary. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Next episode, group by and aggregation. Per ticker statistics in a 14-row summary.